So you want to know how to use PowerPoint to speak another language, do you? Check this out. 大家好，我的名字叫西门。See what happened? I spoke Chinese and PowerPoint displayed English subtitles. It also works the other way round. Hello everybody. My name is Simon. So there we go. I spoke English and PowerPoint displayed Chinese subtitles. Now I bet you're wondering how I did that. It's super easy. You can too. Great, so there is a setting in PowerPoint 365 that will translate your speech into subtitles on your screen. I'm going to show you how, but just beforehand you need to make sure that you've got PowerPoint 365. Comes with the Office 365 suite. Just show you from the Microsoft website here, there is a massive array of languages that you can use. So let me show you how we can do it. Presently, as far as I'm aware, there is no facility to actually save your subtitles. Perhaps that will come soon. Microsoft will offer that, or you could use a service like Google Translate. So what do we need to do? So the first thing that we'll need to do is open the presentation that we wish to use. So I've got this one here. If you don't have a presentation and just want to have a muck about with it, you could start off with a blank slide. So then you're going to click on slideshow just here at the top. And then in captions and subtitles over here, we're going to make sure the checkbox is ticked, the checkbox that says always use subtitles. So make sure that that's ticked there. So then I'm going to go click on this drop down list that says subtitle settings. Now the first thing we need to do is choose our spoken language. So you can choose from these number of different languages here. So I'm English United Kingdom, so I'm going to make sure that is selected. Then back in the subtitle settings drop down menu, I'm going to go down and choose the subtitle language. And here I've chosen Chinese Simplified. Couple of other options as well. You need to make sure that your microphone is plugged in and working. So I'm going to use this little bottom one here. But a lot of webcams now come with a microphone. I'm sure you might have one that comes with your laptop as well. So just make sure that's selected. And lastly, still in the subtitle settings menu, you can decide where you want your subtitles to appear. So I'm going to choose below slide. Okay, so now you can press F5 on the keyboard, or you can click on the Start Presentation button here at the top. There's also a From Beginning button just here to start your PowerPoint presentation. Hello everybody, my name is Simon. Did you know you can use PowerPoint to speak another language? By displaying subtitles in another language, you can communicate with people all over the world. Great. So if you want to stop the subtitle service, you can press this little button just down at the bottom, just here. And then the subtitles are stopped if you no longer want to present using subtitles. If you want to end your presentation, press Escape on the keyboard. Great. Okay, now that's it for this PowerPoint subtitle demonstration. So now you know how to use PowerPoint to display subtitles in another language. Okay, it's technically not using PowerPoint to speak another language. It's not a spoken translation, but it's better than the kick in the teeth. Knowing how to use PowerPoint to display subtitles in another language is a powerful arrow in your Office 365 quiver. Another arrow is how to use PowerPoint to record your screen. If you want to know how, click on this video. Great to see everybody again, and I hope everyone is keeping safe. Thank you so much for watching.